Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about errors. So why in this code I will get an error. So try to understand here. Age is 36. So here I have taken a variable name age and assigned the 36 value. In txt, I have assigned this value. My name is Akash. I am age. So 36 I want to take age here. So here I need to take output as a 36 on place of age, but I can't take it because age is in number format and text value is in alphabets. Okay, so alphabets and number value can't be combined. So in this scenario, what you have to do? First, I will show you error, then I will resolve this issue. So let's see. So here I'm just taking age is 36, and here I'm writing uh, text. Text is the name of the variable, and here am I storing uh, I am Akash and my is space I'm taking here plus and then name of the variable is. Run it. So see here I'm getting error. Why I'm getting error? Because age is in number and this text value is in text. So you have to convert this age value into string. So you need to write here str bracket and you have to bracket close. Oh, sorry. Here you need to put your pointer and run it. Now, see here, as of now, I'm not getting any value. Why? Because I have stored the value into txt. So if you want to take output, then you have to write here print and then you have to take txt. Run it. Now you can see here, I'm Akash and my age is 36. Clear? So this is all about for this video. This is a problem solving video. Thank you so much.